Welcome to the Hillsborough Historian. My name is Rex, and this episode focuses on the class of 1961. This yearbook is dedicated to the great history teacher, Miss Lula Rigby. In 1949, Miss Rigby led the Kiwanettes, who compiled a list of terriers lost during World War II. This tree stands in the inner courtyard where the terrier once stood. At the end of the previous school year, the terrier was moved inside by the trophy case. Stained glass windows are still being installed during this school year. There were some concerns about the electrical wiring at HHS at this time. This is one of the earliest pictures of a gargoyle. The football team had a great year. Former HHS Principal Robinson can be seen in the center of this photo with members of the 1910 HHS football team. They would be honored this season. Voodoo dolls were sold to hex the opposing teams. An axe was also involved. These are teachers checking their mailboxes. Outside of Principal Gaither's office stood the legendary statue of Athena. This is a rare glimpse inside the clock tower and the mechanism that was used to play music over the loudspeakers. In March, there was an electrical fire in room 107. Also in March, plans for a new Seminole Heights swimming pool were announced. These terriers graduated at the Fort Homer Hesterly Armory. As the electrician said, it is currently time for me to go. Please subscribe to my channel to keep up with all of my HHS videos. Take care of yourselves, and as always, go Big Red.